Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Xilio Therapeutics' latest filing, and trust me, it's more exciting than trying to pronounce their name 5 times fast. It looks like they're making some moves to raise money, so let's decode what it all means. So on March 11, 2025, Xilio Therapeutics filed this report. That date is important because it marks when the events discussed in the report actually happened. The big news here is that Xilio Therapeutics has entered into an agreement with Leerink Partners LLC. This agreement is all about selling shares of the company's stock. Think of it like this. They're opening the door to potentially sell more stock to get more cash. This agreement with Leerink Partners, called the Sales Agreement, allows Xilio to sell shares of its common stock. The key number here is $50 million. Xilio could sell up to that much common stock through Leerink. This is important because it tells us how much money they're hoping to raise. It's like saying we might need up to $50 million to fund our operations or research. The way they plan to sell these shares is interesting. It's called an at-the-market offering. Basically, they'll sell shares directly on the Nasdaq Global Select Market, which is where their stock already trades. This means they can sell shares little by little, depending on market demand, instead of one big offering. Leerink Partners isn't doing this for free. They'll get 3% of whatever Xilio makes from selling the stock. That's their commission, their cut of the deal. So, if Xilio sells all $50 million worth of stock, Leerink gets $1.5 million. Now, Leerink isn't obligated to sell any specific amount of stock. They're acting as Xilio's sales agent, trying to sell the stock using their expertise. It's like hiring a real estate agent. They'll try to sell your house, but there's no guarantee it will sell. There's no special arrangement to hold the funds. It's a straightforward sales process. Here's the thing, Xilio might not sell any shares at all, or they might sell some but not the full $50 million, and the price they get for each share can change, so there's a lot of uncertainty. Xilio is also promising to protect Leerink from certain legal liabilities that might arise from selling the stock. It's a standard legal protection clause. Either Xilio or Leerink can end the agreement if they want to with proper notice. It's not a marriage, it's a business deal. This stock sale is happening under a previously filed registration statement. Think of it as a permission slip they got from the SEC, the government agency that oversees the stock market. It allows them to offer securities to the public. The law firm Wilmer Cutler Pickering Hale and Dorr LLP has given a legal opinion that these shares can be legally sold. Finally, the filing includes the actual sales agreement and the legal opinion as exhibits. If you're really curious, you can dig into those for all the nitty-gritty details. Now, let's step back and look at what all this means for Xilio Therapeutics. By selling shares, Xilio is essentially raising money to fund its operations. Biotech companies like Xilio often need a lot of cash to develop new drugs and therapies. This move suggests they need more capital, which isn't uncommon in their industry. However, there are some potential downsides. When a company sells more shares, it can dilute the value of existing shares. This means each share is worth a little less because there are more shares in total. Investors might not be thrilled about that. On the other hand, if Xilio is successful in developing new treatments, the extra cash could be a good investment in the long run. It's a bit of a gamble, but that's the nature of biotech. Overall, this filing tells us that Xilio is actively managing its finances and looking for ways to fund its future. It's a standard move for a biotech company, but it's important to understand the potential implications for investors. They are taking a big gamble. Hopefully they can deliver on that, so there you have it. Xilio's latest filing decoded. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more corporate decoder deep dives. Let me know in the comments what company you want us to decode next. Thanks for watching.